everybody, we've just checked into Disneyland Newport Bay and let's show you the room. We are on 2342.
Morning or evening.
Oh, I should have said that Millie's also doing the camera work today because she wanted to do a bit of filming herself. So she's going to show you around the bedroom. Here we have a dressing table. Please mind all our stuff. We only just got around to doing the room tour. No, they don't open, babe. You going to show the bed? If you come here, Miller. See, you've got Mickey headboards. This room, what is it, Stephen?
It's a superior room.
It's a superior room. It's got two beds.
Superior double, shall we say?
Yep. No. Here we've got water and the TV. As you can also see, over here is a coffee maker. And in here is the kettle, tea bags, sugar, cups. Over here at the dressing table, there's the plugs. Yeah, that's it, Miller. Shall we have a look at the view?
Yeah.
So I'll show everybody the view. From our room, we can see the hotel pool and garden.
Which wing are we in?
We are in the east wing.
Yes. Of Rose Red. Oh, sorry, the shine.
They also have windows.
Yeah. The room has aircon.
Yeah, it has aircon. Millie's just about to show you now. So first we've got the wash hand basin. There is cupboards. Big mirror. Hi. A new hairdryer, but in the style of the old type. Around here,
Wait.
we have the safe. You can lift it up a little bit. And hanging area, and shoe area. And in here we have the bathroom.
Is it the ironing board in there as well?
Oh yeah, I meant to mention about the ironing board.
Are you going to have a bath?
There's a shower and bath. And just over here, I don't know if you can see it, is Disney shampoo. Shampoo and body wash. And behind the door
Is the toilet.
is the toilet. Are you going to show off the Disney body lotion? I like the Mickey Mouse ears. And as Stephen's just mentioned, because I totally forgot about it, if you turn around Miller, we have an ironing board and ironing here. And you also have a full floor length mirror just outside. Right.
Also, have you looked at the theming?
Yeah, the theming's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
Are you going to show them up? You show up Miller. Yeah. The border that goes around the room is absolutely amazing. I don't know if you can see. Stephen might be better doing this.
Where you
Can you show the characters, Dad, in the portholes?
The portals. Yeah, you've got Mickey there.
Donald Duck.
And you've got Donald Duck. over
Goofy.
there.
Goofy.
And Pluto's over here. So
Oh, we
there's
forgot to-
Mickey Mouse,
we-
Donald Duck, Goofy and Pluto in
We
portholes.
forgot to show this.
Ah yes, you also got a... Oh, and a pelican. And Millie would like to
And-
show her autograph book.
Also, the
The curtains.
You've seen the anchors and stuff on the curtains. That's amazing, isn't it? I must admit though, I do like the pillars on the bed as well. Yeah, and here's Millie with her autograph book.
And my pen.
I just noticed something, there's anchors on the lights.
trying to turn that one off because it might not show it.
They have done it really well, haven't they, with all the theming.
Mummy.
Yep.
Mummy.
And if you actually look at the carpet, it's all
Mickey Mouse.
rope knots.
It's also Mickey. If I look that way,
Yeah,
Mickey Mouse.
it's Mickey Mouse, isn't it?
Yep.
Mummy, what about my shooting folder?
Right, I think that's it really for the room tour, isn't it?
Yeah. Very nice.
So, goodbye from 2342.
Bye! Whoosh!